Good morning, Year 4. It's Mrs. Fletcher-Brown again, and this is Tuesday's session of Book Club. Hope you enjoyed reading Chapter 1 yesterday of Tamarind and the Star of Ishtar. We're going to continue now for Session 2, which will take you to Chapter 2. So you've got the recap words there from yesterday, and these are some of the new words you might come across. So we've got sari. This is a piece of clothing made from a length of cotton or silk, often covered in embroidery. Don't worry if you don't know what embroidery is, and worn by women in South Asia. Embroidery, there we go. Patterns sewn onto material. So there's a beautiful embroidered pattern there. And Punjabi, this is an Indian language. Okay, so just like Chapter 1 and Session 1, Session 2 is all about Chapter 2. So we're keeping it nice and simple. And just like yesterday, you can read through these questions really carefully with me. Then you can head to the video of Miss Samra reading, and you can read along with your own copy if you've got it. And you'll come across the answers to these questions in order. So you'll come across the answer to this first question first. You'll come across the answer to this second question second, and then this one, and then finally this one. So you can pause the video of Miss Samra reading when you think you found the answer, and you can write it down. So here are the questions for today. Describe the boy who holds the welcome sign, and that's retrieve. So there'll be a description of the boy in the book somewhere. You need to find it and write it down. What things are worrying Tamarind? So there are a couple of things that are worrying her, and you can explain what those things are using the evidence that you found in the book. What makes Tamarind think, I don't know if that makes me feel better or worse? So that's a quote from the book, the book there. So the question you're asking is, what makes Tamarind think this? And again, you're practicing your explanation skills here. So explain what makes her think this. And the final one, how would you feel if you were Tamarind at the end of Chapter 2, and why? So this is all about your own opinion here, but it might be that you need to explain your ideas with evidence from the text. So that's why we're going over this skill. So remember, now you've read through these questions, watch the video of Miss Samra reading, and you can read along with her if you've got the book at home. And when you come across the answers to these questions, you can pause the video and write down your answers. Well done, and I'll see you tomorrow.